Hi guys. So I've deployed a Openshift cluster using CRC. So if you see this page, code ready containers, I can add this page to the video as a link. So this page has all the steps. So first step is download the tar. Then you can untar the tar file. And then after setting the path of the CRC, you can simply do a setup and start CRC. You will need to download the pull secret. So this is the link. So if you just right click and open, you can second show. Yeah. So this basically goes to the hybrid cloud page, and from there you can copy the link. So mainly I'm going to cover how to install the operators. Yeah, you'll need to put in the password. Okay, so I'm going to install Apache Kafka. So I'm going to click on install, and we can keep the namespace as OpenShift operators, or else you can specify a namespace. So we can install the operator. So you can see the operator getting installed. Yeah. We can go to operator hub. We can do install of Argo CD operator. So similarly, either can install it in a namespace or like a specific namespace or the same namespace. So what this has done is it has actually, so we can check each namespace whether this operator, yeah, so it's not found here. Yeah. So yeah, so actually we shows all namespaces, so it will install the operator on all the namespaces. And same with RCD. Or else you could choose the default space so that it will only be installed in the default space. Yeah, so you can see. So we'll check our namespaces. Here infra. So basically, you can go to OpenShift operator catalog, and you can find any operator catalog.com. Yeah. So before, I mean, you can always get all the information in the operator hub. If you want to graze through the information without installing the OpenShift cluster, this is the place. So you could search for any operator. Yeah. So this is the product. I think you will need to purchase this product, but this is free. So GitOps is uh, provided by Openshift. So I think you'll need to purchase that. Yeah. So you can see uh, the creator is deployed. Okay, it's still in pending state. You can just make, you can click on the star and make this as your favorite namespace. Yeah. Uh, default. Yeah. So it shows here. So you don't scroll back and forth. Yeah. So yeah. So it's installing on both the namespace. You could also choose to just install it in one namespace instead of all the namespaces. Yeah, I think it's deployed. So we can go ahead and create a Argo CD instance. So similarly, we can deploy any operator of our choice. This is a lot of variety of operators available. So you could install advanced cluster management for Kubernetes, advanced cluster security for Kubernetes. There are a lot of operators. So So if you see, once it's installed, it will show installed. So if you see, the list is quite huge. So you can go through the entire list of operators. Cert manager. I mean, these are the operators I've worked on. Cluster manager. Crunchy Postgres Kubernetes. So you can actually create a HA using Postgres. So it's very interesting to like go through all the operators, and so you can see you can deploy a S3 bucket in Openshift. S3 operator. So this one I'll just install. Yeah, in the so it's only available in a single namespace. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.